So, yeah, I used to actually be involved in running these, so this is a little bit weird. But anyway, so I'm going to talk to you guys very briefly about how you can book hotels through Expedia Affiliate Network's APIs. Expedia is one of the world's largest travel companies. We've got 155,000-ish hotels and loads of metadata about them. So you can find out through our APIs what hotels there are in a particular region. You can find out what sorts of rooms they have, what amenities they have. Does it have a pool? Does it allow pets? All these sorts of things. You can do geo searches through our API. So you can say, OK, what landmarks are there in a particular city? Now give me all of the hotels around those landmarks. So, for example, you could find the Eiffel Tower in Paris and find all of the hotels and see what ratings they are and filter based on the ratings and sort them based on which one has the highest TripAdvisor rating, for example, or find which ones have swimming pools. I'm not sure why you'd want a swimming pool in Paris, but you might. We also have, if you sign up for a developer account, which is completely free and really, really easy to do, we also have actually CSV dumps of all of our hotel data that you can download. So if you want to do something Hadoop and lots of big data craziness, you can absolutely do that. There's no problem with that. You can just sign up, grab the data files straight away. I'm going to get to that. Sorry, the question was, how do you do that? And the other thing is, you can make some fucking money with our APIs. That's not to say that making money by winning a hackathon isn't good, but big companies use our APIs to make lots and lots of money. And you guys, if you make a hack that promotes hotels in interesting ways, you could actually make it into a product and make real money out of this stuff. Again, just through signing up. So how do you sign up? You go to developer.in.com, and there's a big fat register for an API key link on the right-hand side. You click on that, you fill in a really simple form. I think it's username, password, confirm password, and possibly an email address, and you're done. You then have access to our APIs. You have access to all of our CSV data files, all the documentation's there. You can play with our toolbox. If there's anything that doesn't make sense, come and find me or ping me on Twitter or whatever. So once you've signed up, what now? Well, you can find destinations. I was saying about landmarks and things like that. You can do a query against our API to find all of the landmarks and destinations and things like that based on a query string. So our URLs are a little bit ugly, sorry. So here, for example, I am finding all of the landmarks around London. You could find all of the regions of London, all this sort of thing. And then based on that, you could find hotels, again in London in this case. And these are really, really simple queries. There's a lot more options, and everything that we do is available as JSON or XML, and you can use it using SOAP as well if you're that way inclined. Quite why you would, I don't know, but whatever. Once you've found a hotel, you can find rooms. Again, reasonably simple. You can say, I would like to find a room in this particular hotel between this date and this date. And it will tell you all of the types of rooms that are available. And then once you've found a room, you can book that room. Now, with the API keys that you sign up for this weekend, there will be developer API keys. And so actually you can make bookings and all this sort of thing, and it won't actually go and book hotel rooms, because that's probably not the best idea for a hackathon. But you can actually have those API keys turned into real API keys, like next week or whatever, if you really want to make your app real. And I've not put a URL up for booking rooms because it involves passing credit card numbers and all of that dance of stuff. So you're best looking at the documentation. So if you want more information, go to developer.in.com, or you can tweet at me. I'm Steve Marshall. Or you can, come and grab me, although ideally don't physically grab me. And you can find my slides at that URL at the bottom there, and I think the guys from YDN will have just tweeted them out. And that's me done. Any questions? Oh, one last thing. We're also sponsoring a prize. There is £1,000 worth of Amazon vouchers up for grabs if you build the best travel hack. Doesn't have to use our APIs, just has to be something travel-related, geo-related, that sort of thing. So if you want to win that, do something geo-related. Cheers.
All right, let's hear it for Steve. Thank you, Steve.